Hello and welcome to Linux Ort. If you wonder, whoops, which channel is this I have subscribed? Then I have the right answer to you. This channel was before known as Linux Guides EN. Why Linux Guides? Because I also have a German YouTube channel which is called Linux Guides, and to separate this one, some years ago I started a similar channel for you to publish my content also in the English language, that more people do have the accessibility for my Linux content. With Linux Ort, I want to provide you a platform for Linux and free software, which is very beginner friendly, but also shares some bits and pieces for more advanced users, which are more familiar to Linux. With this video, we have uploaded also 60 videos, and every week a new video will follow. If you have special wishes, which video you want to see on Linux Ort, then feel free to write it me into the comments. So let's talk about the name. Why Linux Ort? Funny-wise, my German Linux project is called Linux Guides. It's an English word, and Linux Ort is kind of German because Ort means place, or in German we call it Ort with an hard R. And this means that everyone is welcome to join this place, to connect to each other, to get some knowledge, and in the end, a great place to be comfortable with, where everyone is welcome. It's completely irrelevant which distro you are using. If you are an Arch Linux guy, perfect. If you're using Linux Mint, Ubuntu, Fedora, or even Windows, all of you are welcome. So this is also why I started the linuxort.com website. At the moment, there isn't too much here. There's a short description. I'm making videos since 2015 and I'm using Linux since 2013. So yeah, I'm not a user which is using Linux since the beginnings. But because of this, I have some different viewpoints to some topics in the Linux world. For example, I also started the Linux Assistant, which is a daily helper for your Linux distribution. Just have a look at it. I also created a video about it. And these and other things are coming. And I have a lot of plans with software, but also with community. In some months, I guess also some live streams will follow, where, for example, we answer your question about Linux. So be aware of it. And if you didn't already subscribe to this YouTube channel, then it's now time. I'm looking into a bright time with many ideas, and I would be very proud if you out there will be a part of it. At the current time, I'm living in Germany, but I'm constantly improving my English to speak more fluently in the future and also to remove my German accent. So yeah, that was it for today. If you have some other questions about Linux Ort, feel free to write them in the comments, and see you in the next week to a brand new video about Linux, and I'm very sure you will like it. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye.